Hi everyone, today we are making slime. This is my slime that I made just now. It's my first slime. Well, not my first one, I have another one, but yeah. So, today I'll be showing you how to make like the sound of the slime. I don't know what it's called. It's like, I forgot what it's called. I forgot what it's called, but it's like a sound you make. Like, you have to make like a bubble first and then like blow it, and then you have to like pop it. Like, you hear that? You heard that? So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys. So as you see, I'm not showing my face because I do not like showing my face in a video because I just don't like it. Okay, so this is my first ever video. You should go see my channel and make sure to subscribe to Real Roses Are Red and to Funny. Subscribe to Funny, subscribe to Real Roses Are Red, subscribe to Inquisitor Master, and subscribe to it's Ashley. Subscribe to Ashley and Chris because they all are the best of friends, like legit. They are all the best of friends. Like, I watch them every day and they're like the best. They're like, oh my gosh. So make sure to subscribe to them and like their videos. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. So as I told you, but you can tell by the title, we are gonna make pop noises with our slime. So first, I like blow the slime. I like make a huge bubble. Look. So this is how you make a huge bubble, guys. Oh, my camera. Jeez. I'm sorry, guys. It's just hard for my camera to stay still. Okay, so you make it like that, and then you have to blow it. Blow, guys, blow it. Blow it, guys. I believe in you. Come on. How did you blow it? Come on, guys, blow it. Wait, let me make it again so you can blow it. You ready, guys? Okay, let me just... there we go. And guys, I am a gamer, so I will be making Roblox games. Not only like vlogs and all that, I'm gonna be making Roblox games, so yeah. So, this is your last chance to blow it, guys. Come on, I know you can do this. You guys are the best. Come on. You can do it. Blow it. Harder, harder. Yay, you did it. You blew it. Okay, you blew it, guys. You guys are amazing. You blew it. I'm proud of you guys. How did you do it? It was like so hard, right? It was so hard. So, once you have blown it, you have to shape it into a ball. Shape it into a lip. Oh, where did that came from? Okay, I'm sorry, guys. So once you blow the ball, then squeeze it. Oh man, I did it wrong. You heard a little noise, right? That was a little noise, but I did it wrong. So you have to make the ball. You have to do this, do that, and then like separate it together, like that, and then blow it, guys. Blow it. Good job. Good job, guys. High five. High five. Bam. Shabam. Good job. So, once you did that, you have to squeeze it, guys. Squeeze it. Oh, you were so close. Or should I say, I was so close. So, we're going to try one more time. Okay, so transform it into a ball. Come on, come on. Then you're gonna blow it. Oh man. You heard that, guys? Oh guys? It was like, oh my gosh. It popped out of nowhere. One more time. Okay. So I blowed it. And the slime almost went in my mouth, guys. Like, but then I sucked it right out again. But now I had to pop it. Come on. Come on. What's it sticking to me? Ugh. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so now you do this and blood. Ah, it's getting all over me. Okay. There we go. Now we pop it. You heard that, guys? You heard that? That was the noise. That was the noise, guys. The noise. So, yeah. Thanks for watching my video this week. I hope you enjoyed. And I am trying to reach 2,000 likes. So, if you could do that, guys, that would be an honor. I will be like screaming or something like that. I will be like, oh my gosh. But not only that, I want you to subscribe also. If you can, you don't have to. I'm not forcing you. But if you can, please subscribe. But you don't have to if you don't want to. I still love you, you know. I love you girls and boys out there. I love you guys. Even though this is my first video, I still love you guys. I know you guys are good inside. Good inside. Follow your heart. Follow your dreams. And you will accomplish anything you dreamed. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button! And if you did, make sure to like and comment down below if you love slime. It ripped. Again. If you loved the slime. Well, I'll see you guys next time. And Mr. Slime will see you next time, guys. So, adios, guys. Squishy. Slime. Oh my gosh. Well, adios, amigos. Why can't I do this right? Okay, bye.